Hello. ASBP welcomes you to the review of changes in excise duty and other taxes of Nepal for fiscal year 77-78. Honorable Finance Minister of Nepal has recently announced the budget for 2077. In this scenario, we are presenting you some insights on the changes in tax by Finance Bill 2077. Hope you are ready to enjoy the video with your presenter. So, let's begin the session. This is our disclaimer. We request you to pause the video and read entire text by yourself. At the core, we request you to obtain professional advice before making specific decision. Team ASBP humbly requests you to comment on our video. Please, comment freely so that we can come up with better videos. If you like the video, please hit like, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can subscribe our channel by clicking the bell icon below. Let's proceed with the contents. Excise duty is the indirect tax applicable in Nepal. It is charged at the point of manufacturing or importing a product. In Nepal, excise duty is applied on construction materials, plastic items, luxury items, automobiles, negative externalities, and alike. Let's track the changes to excise duty by Finance Bill 2077. Finance Bill 2077 has not proposed notable changes to the Excise Duty Act 2058 BS. Rates of duty has been revised for a few items. Some items have been added to the rate list of excise duty. Some among those items have been presented here. Besides these, excise duty has been introduced to the electric automobiles segment. Introduction of excise duty to the electric vehicle segment has demotivated the use of electric power on roads. It's really shocking why these provision has been introduced. However, let's consider the government has some plans with that and move forward towards discussing other taxes. In the other matter segment, we shall discuss on the minor tax heads of Government of Nepal. Besides the major tax channels of custom duty, income tax, VAT, and excise duty, Government of Nepal has other minor channels as well. Most of these channels are in the form of indirect taxes and are almost unnoticed at the level of general public. However, they provide good support to the government finances. Check what those are and what changes have been noted in them. First on our list is Agriculture Reform Duty. This duty is levied at custom frontier on import of listed items. Detail list is available at Annex 1 of Finance Bill 2077. No change has been noted on rates or items in the list as compared to previous year. Next one we have is Health Hazard Tax. This tax is levied on import or production of health hazardous items like bidi, cigarette, cigar, pan masala, gutka, tobacco. Rate of bidi has been kept stagnant at 25 paisa per unit. Rate of cigarette and cigar has been doubled from 25 paisa per unit to 50 paisa per unit. Similarly, tax on pan masala, tobacco, gutka has been increased from Rs 25 per kg to Rs 40 per kg. Next, Education Service Tax. Provision related to this tax also remains the same. 2% on abroad education fees. This tax is collected by bank at the time of availing foreign currency to the student traveling abroad. Next, Infrastructure Development Tax. Petrol, diesel, and aircraft fuel was laden with this tax at Rs 5 per liter in the previous year. This year, aircraft fuel has been waived from this tax and the rates on petrol and diesel has been doubled to Rs 10 per liter. Another on the list is Pollution Control Charge. This charge is also included in price of petrol and diesel. Rates of this charge has been kept the same as that of previous year, that is Rs 1.5 per liter. Next is the Road Repair and Maintenance Fee. No change observed in this fee as well. It's the same Rs 4 on petrol and Rs 2 on diesel per liter as previous year. Hope you just noted what extra taxes you pay on purchase of petrol and diesel for your automobile. You were paying Rs 10.5 per liter on petrol in previous year, and now you will be paying Rs 15.5 per liter on petrol as additional charge. Similarly, you were paying rupees 8.5 per litre on diesel in previous year, and now you will be paying rupees 13.5 per litre on diesel as additional charge. Besides these, the government also collects import duty and VAT on petrol and diesel. Fossil fuel has been one of the major revenue source to the government. It is probably due to this fact that Nepal government is not being able to promote electric vehicles which will actually be powered by domestic clean energy. Next is motion picture development charge. No changes has been made with relation to this charge. It's the same 15% for domestic movies and 20% for foreign movies. This tax is collected via cinema hall. Next, on our list is road construction fee. Some new provisions and rates have been added to this head. Electric bike and scooter to pay rupees 12,000 per unit. Electric three-wheeler to pay rupees 13,000 per unit. Other three-wheeler under Chapter 87.03 and 87.04 to pay rupees 15,000 per unit. Other vehicle under Chapter 87.02, 87.03 and 87.04 to pay 10% of price. Chassis as per Chapter 87.06 to pay 9% of price. Besides these additions, some waivers have been introduced. Special purpose vehicle as per Chapter 87.05 has been waived from this duty. Vehicles temporarily imported by UN for Nepal Army, Armed Police Force or police for the purpose of peacekeeping force has been exempt from this duty. Bus operated by airlines company at the airport ramp for carrying passengers to / from the terminal to craft as approved by Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal is also added to the exempt list. This duty is collected once in the lifetime of the automobile. It is collected on imports after the announcement of annual budget. This duty is also applicable on automobiles that were imported earlier, but registered with Department of Transportation after the annual budget speech. Next on the list is telephone ownership charge. No changes done to this charge. Rupees 500 shall be collected on installation of new PSTN connection and 2% on new SIM card and recharge card as in previous year. Let's check the other duty. It's telecommunication service charge. This charge is applicable on usage of telecommunication service. It is charged at 13% of telecommunication service fee. The rates are the same as in previous year. TSC has been waived on interconnection charge as in previous year. Similarly, repair service fee, up to 50% of fixed broadband service charge has been exempt from TSC from this year. Coming next is casino royalty. Rates for casino royalty also remains the same, 4 crores for normal casino and 1 crore for fully machine-operated casino. However, considering the lockdown, lead time to pay royalty has been extended to 6 months from commencement of fiscal year, that is till Paush end. This lead time was 2 months in previous year, that is Bhadra end. Also, some additional waivers has been announced for the casino. If any casino, whose royalty is due, pays full royalty and half the penalties of fiscal year 75/76, and full royalty for fiscal year 76/77, by Chatra 2077. Due fees and annual charges till fiscal year 75/76 shall be waived for such casino. Point to be noted, this relaxation does not waive any casino from paying royalty for fiscal year 77/78 by Paush end 2077. Let's come to another charge. This is forest product charge. This charge has been terminated by Finance Bill 2077. In the previous year, 15% charge was levied on commercial sale of forest products by community forest. This is all what was presented in the Finance Bill. Thank you for watching. Team ASBP humbly requests you to comment on our video. Please, comment freely so that we can come up with better videos. If you like the video, please hit like, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can subscribe our channel by clicking the bell icon below. Finally, we would like to thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. We are always ready for your feedback on the comment box. Also, be informed that we are always ready to support at need of professional advice. You can visit our office, at any location favorable to you, or call us on any of the numbers. Enjoy your time.